This is the last air conditioner video during my 2-day stay in Georgia. Trane XR11 heat pump with a brand new compressor. This is a 2.5 ton. And I believe it's matched up with a gas furnace. The owner doesn't know for sure. Waiting for the heat pump to turn on. What'd you set it to? 75. Yeah, it'll turn on any minute. Figured since I made a video of one not running, I'd get a video of one running. Just to see what it sounds like. You'd be surprised how many people actually watch these on YouTube.
Really?
Some of these get in excess of like 5,000 views. But I do a lot of videos of cars and my friend's band performing too.
Oh, wow.
So this is a hybrid heat system apparently. It's matched up with a gas furnace. It'll come back on. I filmed another train at my aunt's friend's house yesterday, and it took a while for the thermostat to register. They had it set to like 75, and to get the unit to come back on for the video, I set it to like 72. Come on, you little. My flight actually leaves in less than 4 hours. And this battery's about to die. Yeah, it's got the compressor sound blanket. The thermostat's like not cooperating. That would have been the perfect time to film it. It stayed running for like 2 minutes. Shut down, shut up, turn on. Oh, come on, you little bastard. Turn on. It's disconnect box. There we go. Finally came on. Compressor failed at the beginning of the summer and they had to replace it. This unit has the Climate-Tough compressor. Again, it's 2.5 tons. This one is a heat pump. And the furnace is under the house. I think this is like a 1,600 square foot house. Built in the 1950s. It's one story. Either 2 or 3 bedrooms, I forget. So yeah, today was quite a the last 2 days were quite productive. Both vacation-wise and YouTube-wise. Yeah, the reversing valve is back here. Right there. Somewhere in there. Yeah, there it is, right there. Line set is wrapped up, so I can't tell how cold it's getting. It's just like the one at the abandoned house. Alright, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out. Alright, we're gonna shut it down now. There it goes. Trane XR11 2.5 ton heat pump from 2005. With a Mars disconnect box and I assume a Trane gas furnace. Though it might actually be electric bill, or electric heat. And the house has an electric stove, and the owner says she got a gas bill, so that leaves nothing else but the furnace, so that's why I think this house has gas heater. It has a dual fuel system. Nice setup. Alright, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Out. And this was manufactured in August of 2005. Alright, out.
This has been a Stamped Octagon production.